I've been thinking, isn't it amazing how Python has become the backbone of AI development? It's like
Yeah,
everywhere
totally.
you look, Python's the default choice.
Absolutely. But what do you think makes Python so irresistible for AI researchers and developers?
Well, it's the simplicity and readability of the language. It allows people to focus on solving problems rather than wrestling with complex syntax.
Right, and the libraries, they're a huge help, aren't they?
Oh, definitely. Libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, they're like the power tools of AI. They make building
Yeah.
and training models so much more accessible.
But do you think relying heavily on these libraries might make developers too dependent on them?
That's a fair point. While the libraries are fantastic, it's crucial for developers to understand the underlying algorithms and principles.
Exactly. Without the foundational knowledge, it's like building a house on sand.
Precisely. And that's why a solid grasp of mathematical concepts, linear algebra, calculus, statistics, is so important.
Right.
It helps in truly understanding how the algorithms work.
Speaking of foundations, programming fundamentals are key too, aren't they?
Absolutely. Being comfortable with Python's syntax, data structures, and object-oriented programming is essential. It's like having a strong command of the language before writing poetry.
Haha, nice analogy. And what about data manipulation?
Oh, that's huge. Working with large data sets is par for the course in AI. Knowing libraries like Pandas and NumPy is crucial for data analysis and pre-processing.
Data cleaning can be such a tedious task, but it's so important.
Exactly. They say that data scientists spend 80% of their time cleaning
Wow.
data. It might be an exaggeration, but it highlights its importance.
So true. And how about practical experience? Do you think it's as important as theoretical knowledge?
More so, in some cases. Implementing real-world projects helps solidify concepts. It's like learning to swim. You can't do it by just reading about it.
Exactly. Participating in hackathons or competitions like Kaggle can be really beneficial.
Definitely. They offer hands-on experience and exposure to real-world
Yeah.
problems. Plus, you get to learn from a community of peers and industry experts.
And let's not forget about continuous learning. The AI field is evolving so rapidly.
Oh, absolutely. Staying updated with the latest trends and advancements is essential. It's a field where yesterday's innovation becomes today's norm.
So, considering all this, how should someone structure their learning journey in AI with Python?
Well, starting with an introduction to Python programming is the first
Right.
step. Getting comfortable with the basics sets a strong foundation.
And then diving into the mathematics for AI like linear algebra and statistics?
Exactly. Those are the building blocks.
Yeah.
Without them, understanding machine learning algorithms would be challenging.
After that, learning data manipulation and analysis would be the logical next step.
Precisely. Becoming proficient with data is critical. Libraries like Pandas and NumPy are indispensable tools.
Then, of course, an introduction to machine learning algorithms.
Yes. Understanding supervised and unsupervised learning and getting hands-on with scikit-learn.
Right.
It's like unlocking the magic of predictive models.
And don't forget deep learning fundamentals with frameworks like TensorFlow and Keras.
Absolutely. That's where things get really exciting.
Yeah.
Building neural networks opens up so many possibilities.
Finally, wrapping it all up with a capstone project to bring everything together.
Exactly. It's the culmination of all the learning. Applying knowledge to solve a real-world problem is immensely rewarding.
So, after all that, what kind of career opportunities open up?
Oh, a plethora. Roles like data scientist, machine learning engineer, AI researcher.
Wow.
The demand is huge.
But do you think just learning Python and AI concepts is enough to land these roles?
Well, it's a significant part, but practical experience and continuous learning are crucial.
Right.
Employers look for hands-on experience and a proven ability to apply skills.
Makes sense. So participating in projects, internships, and competitions is key.
Exactly. It's about building a portfolio that showcases your abilities.
Yeah.
It's like your personal brand in the tech world.
That's inspiring. I think anyone passionate about AI has a bright future ahead.
Couldn't agree more. With dedication and the right resources, the possibilities are endless.
So, ready to dive deeper into the AI world?
Always. The
Yeah.
journey is just as exciting as the destination.